We begin with some breaking news from Equatorial Guinea, where a series of large explosions has rocked the city of Bata. The country's health ministry says at least 17 people have been killed in blasts at a military base. Hundreds more are injured. An urgent appeal for blood donations and volunteer helpers has gone out, with area hospitals overwhelmed. For more on this developing story, let's bring in our correspondent, Fred Mavunyi, who has been following the events from Lagos in Nigeria. Fred, the country's president has released a statement regarding the cause of the explosions. What does it say?
President Obiang Nguema has said in a statement that the explosion was negligence related to a dynamite at a military base. Basically, that's his reason. But that also means that the government or the military are responsible of what happened today.
It's very early to draw conclusions, of course. What is the situation on the ground there, Fred?
So far, about 17 people have been reported dead, but there are multiple reports saying that the death toll can go up because they believe that some people are still under the rubble, and 400 or more than 400 people are reported injured. So far, that's the situation at the moment. But people believe that these numbers could go higher after they have tried, or after the people, emergency services have tried to rescue people. Maybe by tomorrow we'll know more about what is actually happening and the extent to how these explosions have affected the people of this small city.
This happened in the country's biggest city, Bata. What can you tell us about the place?
Well, Bata is a port city on the mainland of Equatorial Guinea. It has about 300,000 people. Of course, Equatorial Guinea is a small country with just 1.4 million population. It's the main hub, economic hub, and we believe that people have been affected in a big number simply because they live together. This is where most people in the country actually live, compared to other cities in Equatorial Guinea. And this actually happened in the military camp. It's not rare that military camps are in the middle of population, but in Equatorial Guinea, that's the case, especially in this town of Bata.
DW correspondent Fred Mavunyi, thank you very much for your update.